Hi friends, I am going to tell about the analyze of good and bad products features of the OnePlus 70 Pro. Content in which include of introduction, aim of project, literature review, brief description of project, good features of OnePlus 70 Pro, bad features of OnePlus 70 Pro, actual procedure, output, skill development, learning out of micro project, application of micro project, area of feature improvement, and reference. Introduction. OnePlus 70 and 70 were the Android-based smartphone manufactured by OnePlus. The 70 was unveiled on 26 September 2019 and 70 Pro was unveiled on 10 October 2019. That is, it is launched on date 10 October 2019. The Maclean edition from the 60 returns on the 70 Pro. Both have minor upgrade as with previous T phones such as new software, upgraded cameras, and faster chip. 70 Pro include of some of upgrade like software upgraded, camera upgrade, faster chip pace as compared to 70. It has 90 Hz display and its slogan is smooth like never before. Its operating system is Oxygen OS Android system based on Android 10. It is the next level of OnePlus 7 Pro. Aim of project. The aim of project to analyze the good and bad features of OnePlus 70 Pro, to study all information about good features of OnePlus 70 Pro, to study bad features of OnePlus 70 Pro. Literature review of all edition of review that is described by the other viewers. OnePlus 70 Pro is the next level of OnePlus 70. It has some more function than OnePlus 7 Pro. Yet the OnePlus 70 Pro is one of the best flagship on the market today, and unless you are a 7 Pro owner, you should be looking forward to knowing more about this one. It has one of the finest screens on the market, high res, notch free and 90 Hz display. The most powerful Android chip on the planet, that is Snapdragon 855 Plus, is inside too. OnePlus 70 Pro has a camera and its camera pixel is low as compared to other mobile with same price. So OnePlus 70 Pro has the camera effect is very dull. Brief description of project like good features of OnePlus 70 Pro. First one is the performance. OnePlus built its brand on a promises of speed, and that's one area where the OnePlus 70 Pro has stood the test of time. I am fairly heavy smartphone user. I have over 300 apps installed at any given point of time, multiple utilities synchronizing to my home server and more. At end, the OnePlus 70 Pro remains as speedy as it was out of the box. Battery life. The 485 mAh cell in the OnePlus 70 Pro wasn't class leading at launch. Battery life is, however, a function of both hardware and proper optimization. OnePlus hasn't just delivered on a formula, it has improved on it. 6 months of extensive use later, I am still getting a full day of comfortable use from the phone. While more battery life is always welcome, I have been suitably satisfied by the longevity afforded here despite an expensively display and power hungry processor. Software. When I received the OnePlus 70 Pro back in October, I noted that Oxygen OS focus on refinement and bug fixes over slapping in figures. The out of the box experience was fantastic and has only improved with ongoing software updates. Changeologies from the latest updates talk about the improved RAM management, but I haven't really noticed a difference there because I didn't have a problem with it in the first place. Display. The OnePlus 70 Pro was among the first few phones on the market to ship with a 90 Hz capable panel. Outdoor brightness level have been more sufficient or extensively visibility. Indoors, the excellent contrast level make media consumption a very pleasurable expression. Bad features of OnePlus 70 Pro. OnePlus 70 Pro is expensive. Software update have been slow. The OnePlus 70 Pro given very slowly updates. Low light performance. Camera look. The camera of the OnePlus 70 Pro isn't terrible, not by the stretch, but it is just doesn't cut the mustard when placed next to other flagship hardware. With the OnePlus increasingly plating itself against top tier competition, it is only fair that the imaging needs to match up as well. Actual procedure follow. Actual follow the procedure following. First of all, I asked our project guide about our project. I went in cyber cafe for collect information. After information, I started making project. Then I took all information about our project. Then I visited the website good and bad features of OnePlus 70 Pro and collect information. Then I collect all information about good and bad products of 70 Pro and went to cybercafe and type this information into Word, and then my project is done. Output of the micromission. Uh, we study all the information about good and bad features of OnePlus 70 Pro. Skill development, learning outputs of this micro project. After doing this project, working with team member means teamwork skill developed between us during project. Good understanding, good bonding with group members. Skill are developed under working with team. Making project under group with the help of group member skill develop. Also communication skill is developed. Application of micro project, to analyze the good and bad of various product in market. Like any other product, we before we buy this product, we can actually analyze its good and bad feature to justify whether product is good or bad. Area of future improvement. After successfully completion of this project, we will able to solve or analyze good and bad features of any kind of product. Reference, you can see use reference from YouTube and Google Chrome. Thank you.